Effortless steering starts here. Say goodbye to heavy, tiring turns. A hydraulic steering kit, designed for all kinds of boats. Max working pressure 6.9 bar/1000 pounds per square inch. Smooth and steady, always in control. Built to last hydraulic cylinder. Precision engineering ensures dependable steering every time. Premium reinforced hoses. Burst resistant, wear resistant, kink resistant, high temperature resistant. Cut it to the length you need. Easily customized and quick fit for 5/16 inch pipe fitting. Smooth steering, steady control, no matter what you run. Clear mark ports and a complete hardware kit make installation fast and hassle-free. No special skills, no modifications, just install and go. >150 horsepower's hydraulic steering kit. Unlock a new boating experience. Steer every trip your way.